What if I told you the internet, as you know it, could fundamentally change, or even break, by 2026? Imagine a world where data, the very fuel of our digital lives, becomes scarce, expensive, and slow. That world isn't a dystopian fantasy. It's a looming reality experts are calling the Great Data Drought of 2026. This isn't just about a slow connection. It's about a systemic crisis impacting everything from your Netflix stream to global AI innovation. Today, we are diving deep into why this drought is coming, what it means for you, and how we might just avert a digital catastrophe. The data drought isn't about running out of data to generate asterisk. Ironically, we are creating more data than ever before. It's about hitting the physical and technological limits of our ability to efficiently store, transmit, and process that exponentially growing tidal wave of information. Think of it like this: humanity is building a superhighway for data, but the traffic is increasing so rapidly that the highway can't expand fast enough, and the fuel stations, data centers, are struggling to keep up with demand and energy costs. The key drivers behind this impending crisis are manifold. We have the explosion of artificial intelligence, demanding petabytes of data for training and inferencing. Then there's the Internet of Things, with billions of sensors constantly streaming information from smart cities, smart homes, and industrial applications. Virtual and augmented reality are becoming mainstream, requiring massive bandwidth for immersive experiences. Add to that 8K video streaming, genomic sequencing, and the intricate data needs of autonomous vehicles, and you begin to see the scale of the challenge. Every minute, we upload hundreds of hours of video, send billions of messages, and conduct countless transactions. Each of these actions leaves a digital footprint, a piece of data that needs to be stored, accessed, and managed. Our current infrastructure, built on silicon, copper, and fiber optics, is approaching its fundamental physical limits. The speed of light, the heat generated by processing, and the diminishing returns of miniaturization are becoming tangible bottlenecks. So, what would a real-world data drought look like? For the everyday user, expect significantly slower internet speeds, even with fiber optic connections. Data caps might become more restrictive, and cloud storage could become prohibitively expensive, forcing difficult choices about what digital memories or documents to keep. High-resolution streaming might become a luxury, with buffering a constant companion. Imagine your smart home devices struggling to communicate, or your self-driving car facing dangerous latency issues. For businesses, the impact would be catastrophic. Startups reliant on big data analytics for competitive advantage would be stifled. AI development would slow to a crawl, as training models becomes too costly or time-consuming. Industries like healthcare, which are rapidly digitizing patient records and genomic data, would face immense pressure. Scientific research, particularly in fields like astrophysics or climate modeling that rely on massive datasets, could grind to a halt. Supply chains, increasingly automated and data-driven, would become inefficient and prone to errors. This isn't just a tech problem, it's an economic and societal one. Before we dive into the solutions, if you're finding this deep dive into the future of data fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. And let me know in the comments below, what's your biggest data concern right now? The problems extend beyond simple inconvenience. The data drought could exacerbate the global digital divide, making access to information and opportunities even more unequal. Innovation, the engine of modern economies, could stagnate. The environmental impact of massive data centers, already consuming vast amounts of energy and water, would become an even more pressing concern as we push existing tech to its limits. Geopolitically, data would become an even more strategic resource, intensifying competition and control over the underlying infrastructure. Furthermore, as data becomes more concentrated in fewer, larger storage facilities due to efficiency demands, the risk of catastrophic data loss or cyberattacks on these central hubs increases exponentially. So, what are the solutions, and what does the future hold? Thankfully, brilliant minds are already working on mitigating this crisis. One promising area is entirely new storage paradigms. DNA storage, for instance, can store exponentially more data in a tiny volume and last for thousands of years. Holographic storage offers incredible density and speed. Then there's the push for more efficient data compression algorithms, allowing us to squeeze more information into less space without significant loss of quality. On the processing front, advancements in quantum computing, while still nascent, promise to revolutionize how we handle complex data tasks, making certain computations vastly more efficient. Optical computing, using light instead of electrons, could dramatically reduce energy consumption and increase processing speeds. Edge computing is another crucial strategy. Instead of sending all data to a central cloud, processing it closer to where it's generated reduces network traffic and latency, especially critical for IoT and autonomous systems. For networking, next-generation technologies like 6G and more intelligent routing protocols aim to optimize data flow. Beyond hardware and software, there's a critical need for sustainable data practices. This includes developing more energy-efficient data centers, exploring renewable energy sources for these facilities, and even adopting data minimization strategies, only collecting and storing data that is truly necessary. As individuals, being mindful of our digital footprint and supporting companies that prioritize sustainable tech can make a difference. International collaboration on infrastructure development and data standards will also be vital to ensure a globally resilient digital future. The Great Data Drought of 2026 isn't a certainty, but it's a very real challenge we need to address collectively. By understanding the problem and supporting innovative solutions, we can ensure our digital future remains vibrant and accessible. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. What other tech predictions or future challenges would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.